Hey guys, Hazen Warlick here with ABC Window Cleaning Supply. In this video, we're going to be talking about WaterFed job site pre-planning and safety. So, when you show up on the job site, a few things you're going to want to go ahead and look out for are power lines, retaining walls, and trip and tangle hazards. Trip and tangle hazards can include your own equipment as well as lights, pavers, or anything that you can trip over. Another thing you're going to want to think about is system placement. Where can you place your system to where you're either not going to have to move it at all, or you're going to be moving it as little as possible. And finally, you're definitely going to want to know what the TDS is of your source water, and make sure before you start cleaning that your TDS is 10 or less to make sure you have guaranteed spot-free windows. So in this video, we talked about job site pre-planning and safety and a few things you definitely want to look out for. Thanks so much for watching.